There we go. Okay, I'm trying to remember, how do I get, there it is. Copy link. Do render. Bop it up it up. Let's see, let me go to book face. Custom. Save. Go. Cool, it has been tweeted and book faced and oh, gotta leave a comment. Oops, can't spell. There we go. Okie doke. And log out. Alright. Let's tweet it. Okay, so I am bored. Won't be doing anything till later today. And I was thinking about the last time I did some streaming. A lot of people, well, not a lot of people. One person, Carl, said that the background was like, oh, you're using white? What white? It's like, you know, again, everyone does black. I mean, I want to do something a little different. Just noticing something. Oh, I just messed that up. So I figured, all right, well, I'll just do white. Whatever, I don't care. I prefer it. Deal with it. Let me get myself off the screen here. There we go. But I figured I'm going to just try to add a little color to this. I mean, so far I've just got this kind of bar on the side. Just, I don't know, it's nothing. It's flat. Nothing special. I'm going to try to keep the background here for widescreen content, just because it doesn't, obviously it doesn't fit perfectly. And yes, I'm overlapping it a little bit, but whatever. That's a design choice I took. So I'm working on a template as well. This is going to be for the actual gameplay portion. I'm probably going to use this like for full screen video, like when I have to show my ugly mug or whatever. But before I do any of that, I'm actually screwing around with ideas in Photoshop first, because this is where I start. Okay, so I've already got the picture-in-picture idea. In fact, actually, let me go back to OBS. Here we go. So when I do this, the problem is I don't know exactly what size to put the video, so I usually create guidelines for everything, just to kind of help myself. So like for 16:9 content, game would fit here, and then my video would pop up there. Still trying to figure out how to lay out everything else, like the text and whatnot. If I go back to my sample video, I had something like this. Man, shit. It's been forever since I played that. You know, again, nothing special. It kind of just stands out a little bit. It's text. I mean, there's no reason to really post my name anywhere. And I'm still working on the marquee here. I'm not sure how I'm going to play with that, with the edge over here now. I might go ahead and move this to this side. In fact, let me do that right now while I'm thinking about it. Let's test this. So the marquee, I'm gonna move that layer to under the edge. Where's the edge at? There it is. And let's go ahead and move the text over here. Whoops. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit of both. Alright, so let me think this through. So I'm going to move the marquee title above the edge. So like right there. Like that. Oops. And I'm going to get rid of that. Maybe something like that, I guess? I don't know. I'm just going to take some playing around with to figure out what I want to do. Maybe I can make this a darker color so it could stand out a little more. Let's try that. So I'm going to move... Let's see here. So I'm going to call this marquee info background. Actually, call it marquee G info. And we're going to leave, we're going to move that out of there. And move the title back in here. Move that above the edge. There we go. And let's go ahead and move this over here. Decide what color to make it. Boop. So it's going to need to be a little bit darker. Here's one way to do it. Let me up, and you know, I probably should actually note, because I don't have a chat or anything, so who the fuck am I talking to? Other than nobody. Oops. Alright, let me fix that up. So I need to go back into OBS. Wait, I don't have... Oh, you know what? Helps I pull this back. Y'all haven't seen a single damn thing I was doing, because I am an idiot. Let me just add some text real quickly. Text. To text. So, there. I am on the Twitters. Probably the best way to do it. Let's see. Go to my favorite font. Swap. Color. Oh, that's the outline. Background. Foreground. That's good. And edit scene. Bring it down here. Come on. Oop. Oh yeah, you also may notice I'm only broadcasting in 480p. Gosh, I'm such a fucking stickler for this. There we go. Nope. There we go. Good enough. Anyways, so yeah, I'm only doing 480p because I don't want to overload my computer. It's only an i5 from like a couple of years ago. In fact, let's take a look. Let's see here, system. Yeah, so whatever model this was, I mean, that's good. I'm not sure, like, what is that? That's probably whatever's after Sandy Bridge, I think. See, now I'm curious. Hold on, see. Detour. Boop. Let's see here. i5 half M. Boop. This probably isn't going to say specifically. Nope. By the way, I mean, it's an older Mac Mini. It does what I need, and that's all I care about. I mean, I don't play like those fancy-ass 3D games that everyone talks about. Alright, so back to this. Make sure I've got the right fucking thing open. Yep, there we go. Okay, cool. So, let's see here. What was I doing? I said I was going to color overlay it. Up, up. And let's just try some different colors. Maybe that would be... trying to find just the... I'm not very good with colors is my problem. And I have to change my bottom one as well, because that's... well, ooh, hold on. Nah, see, so I will have to change the bottom layer, because I am not a fan of that blue. I like that blue. Trying to find that right flat blue, though. Maybe that. I mean, just a slight difference. Nothing too terribly different. How does that look? I mean, let me pull up the stream here out of curiosity what that looks like. As I wait 30 seconds. Alright, well, I'm going to let that run for a bit. While that happens, let's see. Let me go ahead. Oops. Learn my keyboard shortcuts. There we go. That's fine. Okay, so let me do that. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is, let's see here, select the edge, Command Shift I. And of course, if I'm doing any of this wrong, please remember I am not a Photoshop expert. There we go. That's alright, I guess. Yeah, I'm okay with that. So what I need to do now also though is eyedropper, change the bottom, G. See, I remember that one. There we go. I'm good with that. So great. So we're gonna go ahead and save that. But what that means now is I gotta undo all of this. Keep forgetting I can do folders. As again. Where's the bottom? Is that it? Yep, there it is. Boop. I'm gonna go back to OBS and edit my global sources, properties. Make sure that was the right one. Yep. Okay. Okay. I'm guessing it's updated. I don't know. All right. Back to Photoshop. And what I'm going to do next is, let's see here. I'm just going to get rid of that. So I wonder if I should go ahead. No, I have to make them separate. That's the problem. Yeah, so let's go ahead and I'm going to select this, copy. Oops. No, that was wrong. Hold on. Copy, new. Shit, I don't remember the short. Oh, it's just new, dummy. There we go. I don't know what I thought. Wait, why is it 96? You know what? Not gonna argue, not gonna question it, don't care right now. Here we go. Alright, so live stream, I'm gonna call it marquee background info. Here. Yeah, interesting. Check something here. TV. Yep. Huh. Okay. Usually it tells me I'm streaming on Diamond Club, but I'm not. So I'm not gonna worry about that. All right. Nope. Nope. That's fine. Okay. Let's see here. So next is the marquee background. So we're gonna go ahead and. Oops, actually I need to go and pull this in all the way. Undo that because I'm going to pull in this one. There we go. And copy merge. I don't know why I did that, but I did, so whatever. And it's going to bother me that that is an uneven number. So let's go pixels 470. There we go. Get rid of the background. Save web. And let's see, marquee info title. Let's see here. Oh, you know what? It's because I'm not public. Hold on, let me see something here. Can I change it now that I've already started? Let's see if this works. Publish. control room. Yeah. So, thing to remember is that if I want to be on Diamond Club, I think I need to publish this as public. I'm not very smart. I don't stream too often. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so let's see. So I need to move that back. The history. Yep. There we go. So now let's put everything back the way it was. Okay, I'm good with this. I'm okay with this. Question is though on... No, that's not it. On this one, I guess it's fine. Okay, alright, so let me go back to OBS. Go back to my template here. So y'all aren't seeing anything right now, so deal with it. I'm gonna add an image. Oh no, I need to global sources, add image, marquee, background info. So marquee, background info, and then okay, and okay. So I'm gonna add. The problem is it's such a light color. Yeah, I was gonna say I can't see it. So, let me turn off 1-to-1 mode and let's see here. Preview 1-to-1. Preview scale to fit. That's what I wanted. There we go. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so what I need to do then is move this to there. There we go. And I'm going to add, oops, I need to create a new global source. Let's see, add image, marquee, background, title. Okay. Global sources, marquee, background, title. Oops, add scene. Okay, bring it down 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That looks about right. Let's do one more. Yeah, I think maybe right there. It's the problem about doing 480p is I can't be 100% sure. We'll just say that's correct. Okay, so that's looking good. Let me move this to the proper spot. The bottom still takes precedent. Man, layering I have to deal with this is crazy. Alright, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to stop the stream for a moment because it appears that I forgot to make this a public event, therefore it's not showing up on Diamond Club. So let me get on that and I'm going to have to start a new stream. So if you're watching, keep an eye out the links and whatnot. Of course I got to figure out which freaking window it is now. There it is.